I always wanted to make a custom fire car ladder. This is a ladder car, but I want to put an LED light here. It's going to be kind of rainbow color, not emergency lights, but rainbow colors will do it, because this is a toy. And probably I'm gonna put some LED lights right here. So I have here like 100 or 200 small LED lights. These are rainbow lights. And let me see, I think we can put, I wanted to display on top, sticking out just a little bit right over here, and here only two. I don't want it in front, just on the top. Okay, and the other one right here. So let's begin. First this. Okay, so this one will be very easy. I'm just gonna add a little bit of silicone inside to keep it in place. That's it. Look what I found. It's very skinny wire. Let's put it side by side. Look at this. This is the normal size wires you can find or use for your Trackmaster models, and these are very skinny. Excellent. I just found Fling from Trackmaster 1. Unfortunately, it takes only one battery and I need 3 volts. So it's gonna... no, I can't use it. This will be great, but I'm gonna wait until I find a talking Fling. I sold the other ones I had. Damn it. And Trackmaster 2 Fling, I don't like it. But anyways. Okay, that should do it. Excellent. Okay, now it's Thomas' turn. Let's see what I can do. Okay, let's see how it looks. Cool. There you go. Okay, somehow I gotta make it fit right there. I think I'm gonna paint a little bit in zigzag. Yeah, maybe like that. Let's see. Yeah, that's much better. Excellent. Okay, this is the part where I have to prepare before soldering. Okay, the dark color will be the negative because I don't have a red or black color, so this. Okay, so that way I can identify which is positive and negative. Remember, the short leg is the negative and the long leg positive. Okay, now the other LED light, same process. Short leg negative. I'm using the green, dark green color, and this brown, I'm gonna say that this is light. I mean the copper color will be the positive. This is the clear color. Come on. Okay, there you go. Good. Now let's secure the light with some hot glue right there. Okay. Oh, okay. Stay in place. Keep yours right there. It's moving. Come on. There you go. I think that's good enough. Alright, now I need to do the connection inside the gearbox. I mean, yes, it's inside the gearbox. Here's the gearbox is only this part. So I think I'm gonna hide the wires somewhere right here. I need direct connection to the electric motor. Same with the other lights. It's not gonna look professional, but there's nothing. And anyways, it's not for sale. It's only for, yes, right there. I'm trying to do some wire soldering. Let's see if it works. I gotta put the positive wires together. Let's see. Come on. I think I'm just gonna weld it, solder it as it is. I don't know. This thing does not let me work around. Let's see. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, we'll do the same. I don't know if you guys can see. The camera is a little far away. The shot is far. Okay, I think I got it. Excellent. I will try to explain real quick. I did not show you how I did this, but you probably remember. So we got the positive from the light over here, and this one positive, and from the back car we identify the red and the copper wires are positive, and we had the green and I think this is blue. Yeah, green and blue are negative. So we are in the same page. Now let's find out a way to put it inside here. So I think the only easy way is to run the wires on the car right here, like that. Okay, and then I need to somehow protect it from making short circuit. So I run the wires right here between the let me see right there. There's I put the wires here. Now I just weld positive here, negative right here in the electric motor. Let's see. All right. Let's see. Come on. There you go. Good. Now the positive on the other side. Excellent. And now I gotta find a way to put these wires inside without disturbing or blocking, without blocking the connections right here. I don't know. Good. Okay, so at the end I had to bring the wires back and hide it on the shell. There's not enough room inside. So anyways, I think I gotta put some glue somewhere. Yeah, so we gotta hide the wires inside the cab. And here is our final result. Look at that. Let me show you here. Amazing. You need to see this. Look. Really cool. I'm going to turn off the lights. Well, look at that. Nice. Excellent. Beautiful. Okay, now I think it looks better. Right there. Awesome. Really cool. Wow. Now a little close up. Look at the color changing lights. Really cool. Now on Thomas. I know it's not fire engine Thomas, but I made my own custom. That looks really awesome. Okay, that's it.